Italy is a beautiful country with a rich history, diverse culture, and stunning landscapes. A 10-day tour will allow you to explore several of its iconic cities and regions. Here are 5 different itineraries you can consider for your trip. Number 1. Classic Italian highlights: Rome, Florence, Venice. Day 1 to 3, Rome. Your adventure begins in the eternal city of Rome. Explore the magnificent Colosseum, where gladiators once battled, and the adjacent Roman Forum, a bustling hub of ancient life. Marvel at the artistic wonders within Vatican City, including St. Peter's Basilica and the awe-inspiring Sistine Chapel, adorned by Michelangelo's genius. Wander through the charming streets, savoring authentic Roman cuisine and gelato. Day 4 to 6, Florence. A scenic train ride takes you to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Gaze upon Michelangelo's iconic David at the Accademia Gallery and immerse yourself in art at the Uffizi Gallery, where masterpieces by Botticelli, Raphael, and Leonardo da Vinci await. Admire the Florence Cathedral, an architectural masterpiece with its stunning dome. Stroll along the Arno River and cross the famous Ponte Vecchio. Day 7 to 8, Venice. Travel north to Venice, the city of canals. Discover the enchanting beauty of St. Mark's Square, dominated by St. Mark's Basilica and the Campanile. Take a romantic gondola ride through the winding waterways and explore the artisan shops on Murano Island, known for its exquisite glasswork. Savor delectable seafood dishes at local trattorias. Day 9 to 10, Rome, return. Return to Rome for your final days in Italy. Use this time to revisit favorite spots or explore hidden gems like the Pantheon, Villa Borghese, or the charming neighborhoods of Trastevere. Indulge in the delectable Italian cuisine one last time before bidding arrivederci to this enchanting country. Number 2. Northern Italy and the lakes: Milan, Lake Como, and Lake Garda. Day 1 to 3, Milan. Your adventure begins in the bustling metropolis of Milan. Marvel at the grandeur of the Duomo di Milano, a stunning Gothic cathedral that dominates the cityscape. Delve into the world of art and science at Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper, a masterpiece that has captivated generations. Stroll along the fashionable streets of the Quadrilatero della Moda, indulging in some high-end shopping. Day 4 to 6, Lake Como. Venture north to the pristine shores of Lake Como, a haven for tranquility. Explore charming towns such as Bellagio, known as the Pearl of the Lake, with its cobbled streets and panoramic views. Take a leisurely boat ride across the azure waters and visit Verona, a quaint village nestled against a backdrop of lush green hills. Hike along the lakeside trails for breathtaking vistas. Day 7 to 9, Lake Garda. Continue your journey to the enchanting Lake Garda, Italy's largest lake. Relax by the serene waters, basking in the Mediterranean climate. Visit the historic town of Sirmione, known for its thermal baths and the stunning Scaliger Castle. Embrace water activities like sailing, windsurfing, or simply swimming in the crystal-clear waters. Enjoy local cuisine at lakeside restaurants. Day 10, Milan, return. Bid farewell to the lakes and return to Milan for your departure. Use this final day to explore any remaining attractions or perhaps indulge in some delectable Milanese cuisine, such as saffron-infused risotto or ossobuco. Number 3. Southern Italy and the Amalfi Coast: Naples, Sorrento, Amalfi, and Capri. Day 1 to 3, Naples. Commence your adventure in Naples, a city teeming with history and culture. Spend your first days exploring the remarkably preserved Pompeii and Herculaneum archaeological sites, offering a glimpse into life during the ancient Roman era. Savor authentic Neapolitan pizza and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of this bustling city. Day 4 to 6, Sorrento. Travel to the picturesque town of Sorrento, perched on the cliffs overlooking the Bay of Naples. Sorrento serves as your ideal base for exploring the breathtaking Amalfi Coast. Wander through its charming narrow streets, sample local limoncello, and relish panoramic sea views. Utilize this base to embark on day trips along the Amalfi Coast. Day 7 to 9, Amalfi Coast. Dedicate your days to visiting the iconic towns of the Amalfi Coast. Begin in Amalfi, a historic gem adorned with a magnificent cathedral and quaint streets. Continue to the glamorous Positano, renowned for its colorful buildings nestled into the cliffs. Finally, explore the serene gardens and panoramic vistas of Ravello. Along the way, delight in the flavors of the region, indulging in fresh seafood and lemon-infused delicacies. Day 10, Capri. Conclude your journey with a magical day trip to the beautiful island of Capri, a true Mediterranean jewel. Discover the chic town of Capri, replete with designer boutiques and breathtaking vistas. Explore the renowned Blue Grotto and the charming village of Anacapri. Take a leisurely boat ride around the island, reveling in the azure waters and dramatic coastline, before returning to Naples for your departure. Number 4. Tuscany and Umbria, Florence, Siena, and Assisi. Day 1 to 3, Florence. Your adventure commences in Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. Immerse yourself in the city's rich artistic heritage by exploring world-renowned museums such as the Uffizi Gallery and the Accademia, home to Michelangelo's David. Wander through Florence's historic center, taking in the awe-inspiring Florence Cathedral, Florence Baptistery, and Giotto's Campanile. Savor Tuscan cuisine at local trattorias and soak in the romantic ambience along the Arno River. Day 4 to 6, Siena. Travel to the medieval gem of Siena, famous for its well-preserved historic center. Stroll along its winding streets and marvel at the grandeur of the Piazza del Campo, where the famous Palio horse race takes place. Visit the awe-inspiring Siena Cathedral, a masterpiece of Italian Gothic architecture. Immerse yourself in the local culture and indulge in traditional Tuscan dishes at charming restaurants. Day 7 to 8, Assisi. Head to the historic town of Assisi, nestled in the Umbrian hills and renowned as the birthplace of Saint Francis. Explore the Basilica of Saint Francis, an architectural marvel adorned with frescoes by Giotto and Cimabue. Visit the Basilica of Santa Chiara and soak in the spiritual tranquility that permeates the town. Assisi's charming streets and panoramic views make it a unique destination. Day 9 to 10, Florence, return, or Tuscan towns. On your final days, you have the option to return to Florence to revisit favorite sites or explore nearby Tuscan towns. Consider a day trip to Pisa to see the iconic Leaning Tower or visit the charming walled city of Lucca, known for its well-preserved Renaissance walls and historic center. Number 5. Veneto and EmiliaRomagna, Venice, Bologna, and Verona. Day 1 to 3, Venice. Your adventure begins in the enchanting city of Venice, a place unlike any other. Glide along its picturesque canals, marvel at the opulent palaces, and lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of this floating city. Explore St. Mark's Basilica, the Doge's Palace, and savor authentic Venetian cuisine at local trattorias. Day 4 to 6, Bologna. Travel to Bologna, renowned for its gastronomy, historic architecture, and vibrant university scene. Indulge in mouth-watering pasta dishes like tagliatelle al ragu, bolognese sauce, and explore the city's medieval towers, such as the iconic Two Towers. Immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere of the city's streets and squares. Day 7 to 8, Verona. Journey to the romantic city of Verona, forever associated with Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Visit Juliet's house, the Arena di Verona, and the charming old town. Feel the city's timeless allure and perhaps even leave a love note on the famous Juliet balcony. Day 9 to 10, Venice, return, or island exploration. Return to Venice for your final days in Italy, either revisiting favorite spots or venturing to the nearby islands like Murano, known for its glassblowing, or Burano, famous for its colorful houses and lace-making traditions. This itinerary will allow you to immerse yourself in Italy's artistic heritage, from the Renaissance masterpieces in Florence to the Baroque treasures in Rome and the unique Venetian art in Venice. We invite you to like and subscribe for more inspiring adventures. Be sure to book tickets in advance for popular museums and galleries to avoid long lines and make the most of your time dedicated to art exploration.